Hi guys, today we are going to replace the thermostat for the Ilbe oven. So to do that we are going to replace the remove the door. So thermostat we replace it when mostly it burns the food, it keeps running and doesn't control the temperature for the oven.
Yeah.
So
it's coming from here to get.
take this stuff out, and I'm trying to take the top panel off, so I have to take the two screws from the back of the oven. Now I'm removing the front panel, this one. To take the top panel you have to pull up from the back and then push it forward, and then the top panel comes off easily. So this is the thermostat knob I took, and we take the two screws from the front to take the whole thermostat out. So mostly these jobs, if you have someone to help you, that will be really helpful for you. So I asked the customer to help me in this job in some moment. So take the three wires, this is the earthing, and then the other is the live wire. So you can see the burn marks over there, so that's why the thermostat is faulty. So I put the cable back. So just put the cable where it is in the thermostat. So you can see the customer is holding the top panel for me. So first put the screws in for me, for thermostat, so that it will be easier afterwards to work for you. So now I'm taking the two probes out inside the oven. That's why I took the fan cover out from the oven, and now another probe is just at the top, so I'm unscrewing or taking the screw from it. So there are two screws, so you can't really see, but you'll know when you are working on it. This is really rusted, so it took me a little while to take the screw out. Now I unloose the probe from the point, so that while I go back, it will be so much easier to take the props out. So now to take the props out, I have to access from the back, so I'm taking the back panel out from the oven. So the red wire, the red thing is the old thermostat, so I have to take out the probes. You have to just pull it out, it will come easily. And so there must be wire tangle inside, so just I asked the customer to hold it for me so that I can work it easily. So you can see I took the old thermostat from the oven, which is little bit tangled with the wires, so it took me a little while to take the old thermostat out from the oven. And as you already see, I already put the new thermostat in. I just need to put the probes back where I took the old one out. Doesn't matter which probes goes where, you have to put one by one in one hole and other in other respectively. So when you put the probe inside, just make sure the foam is well attached, and just put the back cover in. And you can also screw. So now the new probes, I will just put it back in where the old probes were. And put the screws back for the top probe, because it is holding with the screws. Now push back the oven little bit so that you can walk. We'll have a good space on it. Also we have to put the, so I'm putting the front panel here, so you need to make sure you have put it in the right way. So to do that, you just need to put the front side first and then the back side after, and then put the screws at the back. Also this panel to hold the back cover, just in case if it comes fall out. Also this has the some cooling air goes in to make the oven little bit cooler. So now I'm putting the fan cover on. There are 3 screws on the fan cover, so I put the second one here, and the last one is on the left hand side. Now I'm setting the clock in. To set the clock in, you just need to hold the second and third button and the plus or minus button to set the time. So you can also know how to set the time for the oven. If you don't set the time, the oven will not get the electricity passed on from the clock, so that the oven will not light on. So put back the stuff how you really want to put it. This is easy because you normally do this in your daily life. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the oven door at the end. So you can put the oven door carefully. If you don't know how to really do it, you can watch our other videos to put the elevator door in. I think we have already put it in the shorts. So if you really get confused and if your oven door is not lining up properly, you can go and watch our shorts and come back here. So this one is closed perfectly. Now I'm just testing the thermostat if it is cutting off the electricity or not. So after like 5 minutes we're gonna see if the light goes off in certain temperature before the ending point, then that means it's cutting out. Otherwise it will keep turning on even it's in the off positions, which also means that your thermostat is not working fine. Thank you for watching us, and please do subscribe. Thank you.